Following Jamaica's failure to qualify for this summer's FIFA Men's World Cup, young players at the local primary school level are being encouraged to prepare themselves for the global showpiece in the years to come. Courtney Morgan tells us more.
Peter Prendergast, Jamaica's first referee to officiate at the global spectacle, made the charge to young boys and girls gathered for the fourth staging of the Marja Block Schools Under-12 competition at the Sacred Heart Preparatory School in Christiana, Manchester on Thursday.
Become a reggae boy, or a reggae girl, most importantly. Why most importantly for the reggae girls? Is because the reggae girls have been to a World Cup more than the reggae boys. So go reggae girls. So boys, you have a challenge so that in a few years you can catch up with the reggae girls in attending World Cup competitions.
And despite the reggae boys' absence from this year's World Cup, the former FIFA referee is celebrating the fact that Jamaica will still have a presence at this year's global tournament.
So even though we don't have any representation by the reggae boys, we have a reggae ref.
Inspiring young boys and girls from rural Jamaica who might otherwise not get the opportunity to showcase their talents to one day make it to the world's premier international showpiece is a dream that prompted the start of the competition, according to competitions coordinator Anisha Osborne.
All right, so some of the schools participate in the competition. They're from rural Manchester, so lack of transportation, not being able to participate in other competitions. So this competition will help to showcase your talents, seeing that this is the Marja Block and it's near to them. So for some of the players now, most of them they're in primary school, so that means they'll be leaving primary school this year. So they'll be going on to high school. So we have them showcasing their talents in football. So I guess some of the high schools want to see them and probably buy them to represent their school in football.
In the day's opening match, Tejanique Douglas scored the first of Sacred Heart's Academy's 6 goals against Reach's Primary. Zaire Rodway scored a 4-timer, with the other coming from Caden Campbell. Randy James scored Reach's lone goal. In the other matches, Knox Prep beat Bryce Primary 6-1 and Craighead Primary defeated Christiana Lease Primary 3-1. 17 teams from Northern Manchester, Southern Clarendon and Southern Trelawney are participating in this year's competition, which will run until the end of May. Courtney Morgan, TVJ Sports.